Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn what is list and what are different kinds of list available, and we will also see how to implement it. So let's dive into the tutorial. Lists are used to show the group of items onto the web page. So if you want to show a group of items as a list, you can show it in web page. Okay. So HTML provides you a couple of types of list. Okay, we will see it one by one. So the first one which HTML provide is unordered list. So the syntax is UL. Okay, so you have an opening close. So you have an opening tag for UL and then this closing tag for UL. Okay, now inside this UL tag you can define the list. So for the list, HTML provides li tag. Okay, now inside this you can name the list of item that you want. So suppose I'm listing some fruits, so I will write apple. Okay, let's again add some more list. Okay, let's say mango. Another list, let's add bananas. Now if I refresh the browser, you can see here, right? You can see the list of items, and you can also see this dot before this each item, right? So this is how you can show the list. Another list that HTML provides is ordered list. So the syntax for it is OL. Okay, ordered list. Inside it you can define the list of items that you want to show. So let's copy that only, paste it here. Now if I refresh it, you can see there is some numbering to it, right? So it says like it's in what order. Okay, now you can also add nested list. So if you have one list and inside that you have more list of items. Okay, so let's suppose if li is fruit. Okay, let's this li is country. Now in this li tag, animal. Okay, now we can add the nested lists here. So let's similarly add ol. Okay, ol tag here. Inside ol tag again put li tag for the list and add. So let's say fruit, we have apple. Let's copy this one only and add it here. Okay, similarly in the country you can add this same thing. Okay, ol tag, inside ol tag again li tag, and let's change the name to India, US, England. Okay, and into the animal also you can use same list. Let's change the name cat, dog, cow. Okay, Let's refresh the page. So now if you see here, for this list we have this nested list of items. Okay, and for this list we have again this nested list of item, right? So similarly it goes on, and this ordered and unordered list is widely used to design the navigation bar. Okay, so suppose if you want, you can add in the li, you can add one anchor tag. Okay, and put this apple here. Inside this anchor tag, let's put href. I'm not putting anything into this href right now, but you can add something like this. Okay, and let me refresh the browser. You can see now this is a link, right? And if we link this page to some another page, we can use it as a navigation, right? So in this way you can apply a lot of things inside this li tag. You can add buttons or any link. Okay, so this is all about the ordered and unordered list. Now for most of the development purpose, this li and ol tag is used. I mean, this unordered and ordered list is only used, but at some of the places, so suppose 5 to 10%, you will also you should also know one of the list, that is description list. Okay, and it HTML provides syntax for it, that is DL. Okay, inside the DL we have something called DT. Okay, DT tag. Okay, and we have also one tag, that is DD. Okay, now if you type here fruit, okay, and type the description as this is banana. Okay, now let's see. If I refresh the browser, you can see the fruit is written here and the description is written here. Okay, so this is how you can work with the description list also. Okay, so that's all about list. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.